Hi everyone, welcome to my art channel. My name is Soraya. So today I'm working on my coasters. I think of them as mini works of art because they truly are very unique, and individually they are a mini work of art. It is absolutely stunning what can be accomplished. I show you here very relaxing way how I accomplish this, so keep watching. Now on camera, this may look like it's black, but really it's a deep, deep navy blue with gold, which is 24 karat gold, and white. It's a classic combination for me, and it always works to create something truly beautiful and unique. I love adding these swirls. It mixes up the paint really well, and you can of course leave it just as is. You would just need to add a little bit more white around the edges, but I chose to tilt it up and see what would happen, and I love the end results. These are just so stunning. I love that gold. Look at that shine on it. Gold, white, and a dark blue. It is so beautiful. I can't wait to show it to you when it's dry. And this one, for some reason, formed these little cells. And then I dropped a little one there, but that's okay, it goes. Wow, I love this one. And this one, look at that. It is gorgeous. Just one second, I'll show you when they're dry. Wow, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but look at that gold against that deep blue. It is gorgeous. Really, really beautiful. And it's very linear. These are linear, which I like because they're different than other ones that I've created. Really lovely. Now this one, I'm not sure if you recall, but had kind of like little circles, cells, but they broke up, and this is what happened. And I think it looks beautiful. It almost looks like a galaxy of some kind. And then this one here, I think, is my favorite. Gorgeous. See that gold? Yeah. I've got lots of other videos on coasters. If you want to see those, click on the link you see now.